equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this battery replacement. You will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a suction cup. Make sure you have a new battery compatible with the Huawei GT3. If you're unsure about the battery type, we can help with a professional diagnosis without obligation. Start by powering off your Huawei GT3 completely. This is crucial to avoid any electrical issues during the replacement process. Once it's off, use the suction cup to gently lift the screen from the body of the watch. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the screen. Next, insert the plastic opening tool into the gap created by the suction cup. Carefully slide it around the edges to detach the screen from the adhesive holding it in place. Take your time with this step. Rushing can lead to cracks or breaks. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about traveling. Once the screen is detached, you will see the internal components of the watch. Locate the battery, which is usually secured with a few screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them to secure the new battery later. After removing the screws, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. Be cautious of any connectors attached to the battery. You may need to disconnect them carefully. If you're not comfortable with this, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. We can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Now, take your new battery and place it into the compartment. Reconnect any connectors you previously detached, ensuring they are secure. Once the battery is in place, replace the screws you removed earlier to secure it. Before reattaching the screen, it's a good idea to clean the internal area of the watch. Use a soft, dry cloth to remove any dust or debris. This will help maintain the watch's performance and longevity. Now, it's time to reattach the screen. Align it carefully with the body of the watch and press down gently to ensure it adheres properly. If you find it difficult to get a good seal, you can apply a small amount of adhesive around the edges. Finally, power on your Huawei GT3 to check if the new battery is functioning correctly. If everything is working as it should, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery. If you encounter any issues, remember that we are here to help with no calls, no travel required. Just reach out, and we'll assist you with any problems you may face. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.